Hey, what happened? Now we're starting to sound good. Don't give up, Josh. You're just trying to play too fast.
That's what my piano teacher keeps telling me. That I've got to keep a slow, steady beat. That's why I got this. But I think it's broken.
Sounds frustrating.
It's not fair. I've been working on this song for like 3 weeks.
You've got to have patience, Josh. Josh. What are you doing?
I have this heroic figures report for Jewish history due on Friday.
That sounds interesting. Who are you writing it on?
Rabbi Akiva. I don't know anything about him. I was sick last week, so I didn't get to choose.
Josh, you want to hear about somebody that could solve all of your problems?
Sure.
But it takes a little practice in order to get the hang of using it.
Yeah.
It's something you already have.
What is it?
Well, you have it inside of you. It's your spiritual power, your Emunah.
I know about Emunah.
Listen to me, Josh. I met a lot of people, and a lot of people know about Emunah. What most people don't know is how to actually use it. Before I get to that, imagine learning Torah the way you'd watch your favorite show, full of action, stories, and fun. That's exactly what Torah Life does. With amazing videos, games, and interactive challenges, it makes mitzvos exciting and turns everyday learning into an adventure you'll actually look forward to. And now, back to the question at hand. You coming? I know you're frustrated, but that's exactly the time to use your Emunah. There are 2 steps to practical Emunah. The first is understanding that God knows what he's doing. You ever say this after Shachrit? Ani Mamin? Ani Mamin. Yeah, that God is the director of every creation and that he alone does and will do every deed. God runs the world. And he's been pretty good at it. When something happens to me, getting sick, for example. Everybody gets the flu. But why did it happen? Maybe it was just something natural. Maybe it was other people. And maybe I messed up myself. So what we have to understand is that everything that happens in this world, whether it's natural or from other people, is all because of God's will. Nothing's random. Nothing happens by accident. Anytime something goes wrong, it's for a reason. I don't always know why something's happening, but I'll tell you this much. God knows what he's doing. I heard an unbelievable story. There was this Hasidic Rebbe, Rebbe Levi Yitzchak Berditchev, and he was walking with his Hasidim, and he stops. And he looks at them and says, if I was God, you know what I would do? And they said, what, Rebbe? He said, just what he's doing now. Why, you think I'm smarter than him? Trust me, we're not smarter than God. He knows everything. He knows what he's doing. And when we have a difficult situation, the first thing we can do is say, okay, God knows what he's doing. I'm not smarter than him. Let's take an example, right? Remember when your Aunt Rachel comes and she always gives your youngest brother a gift and the rest of you don't get anything from her? And she fawns on him and talk about how cute he is and how nice he is. And that's kind of yicky. How does a person use this practically to develop Emunah? So let's look at our Emunah checklist. Number 1, God knows what he's doing. What are you and your sister supposed to say? Say, listen, if I was supposed to get a present, I would have gotten it. There is nothing in this world that I want that I'm not going to get. Everything that's coming to me, I will get. There's nothing coming my way that's going to go to somebody else. Right? Now, if I don't have Emunah, if I don't know that God's watching out for me, if I don't see him peeking through the cracks, telling me, I'm working with you, you know you can handle this, then all you're left with is a bunch of stupid, inconsiderate people who show favoritism and don't care about you, and a bunch of cheapskates who couldn't even buy us our colorful presents. Come on, is that who you want to be? Filled with hate and resentment and disappointment. So I apply Emunah in this situation. I say, listen, this is what God wanted.